In today's video, I'm going to teach you mastering monday.com, how to create recurring tasks in monday.com effortlessly 5 minutes. If you're looking to automate routine work, like weekly status checks, daily stand-ups, or monthly reminders, recurring tasks in monday.com are the perfect solution. We'll walk through the exact clicks to set this up, plus a few tips to make sure your automation behaves exactly the way you expect. Start by signing in to monday.com and opening the workspace and board where you want tasks to appear. Make sure you have access to automations on that board. If you don't see the automate option, check your permissions or plan settings with your account admin. On the top right of your board, click the automate button. This opens the automation center where you can build rules that run on a schedule. From here, you can either create your automation from scratch or browse the recurring tasks category to use a pre-built blueprint. Templates are great for speed, while starting from scratch gives you full control. Next, define your trigger. Choose the every time period option and pick the frequency that matches your workflow, such as every day, every week, or every month. Think about the cadence your team needs: daily for quick check-ins, weekly for team updates, or monthly for reporting deadlines. Now configure the timing. Select the exact time of day and, if applicable, the specific day or days you want new tasks created. Be mindful of your board's time zone settings so tasks arrive when your team expects them. If you operate across regions, choose a time that works for your primary audience. Set the action to create item. This tells monday.com to generate a new task at the schedule you just defined. Specify the group where the item should live, give the item a clear name, and choose an assignee. A concise naming convention like weekly stand-up, team, or month-end report and month makes it easy to scan your board. You can also pre-fill other fields available in your board, such as status or priority, to reduce manual updates later. When everything looks right, click Create Automation to activate it. From now on, monday.com will create new items automatically on your schedule, placing them in the correct group with the right owner. That's it. Your recurring tasks are set. If you ever need to tweak the cadence, timing, or details, simply open automations again and edit the rule. This small setup saves hours over time and keeps your team consistently on track.